Okay, in this example, we're going to do another mixture problem. And in this example, it talks about mixing two different kinds of candies. The problem reads, you have one type of candy that sells for $2.30 a pound, and another type of candy that sells for $5.70 a pound. So I labeled my chart as C1 and C2 for candy 1 and candy 2. So I'm going to label under candy 1, it's $2.30 a pound. And for candy 2, it's $5.70 a pound. It also goes on to say you would like to have 20.4 pounds of candy mixture that sells for $2.90 per pound. So for our final mixture, we want to have 20.4 pounds, and we want it to cost $2.90 per pound. The question is asking, how much of each candy do you need to obtain for the desired mixture? So we don't know what this information is here. I'm going to call it X and Y. That's what the question is asking us to find. How much of each type of candy do we need? So X is going to be the number of pounds for the first candy. Y is going to be the number of pounds for the second candy. And now we can use our chart, now that we have the information organized, to come up with two equations. I'm going to write one equation to represent the number of pounds, and then I'm going to write another equation that represents the price. So if I know that I have X number of pounds for the first candy and Y number of pounds for the second candy, and I want that to total to be 20.4 pounds, then my first equation would be X plus Y is equal to 20.4. So whatever the number of pounds X and Y is, when I add them together, I should get a total of 20.4 pounds. Now for the second equation, I want to find the cost of the first candy plus the cost of the second candy to find out the final cost. Well, to figure out how much candy 1 is going to cost, I would take the price per pound times the number of pounds, right? So for example, if I had 5 pounds of candy, if I wanted to see how much that would cost, I would take 5 times $2.30. So we're going to do that for each of the candies. So we're going to take $2.30 times X. That will give me the cost of candy 1 plus $5.70 times Y. That will give me the cost of the second candy. And the final cost would be $2.90 times the number of pounds, which would be 20.4. So now I have two equations and two unknowns. Now you can solve this by either substitution or by elimination, but either way, no matter how you solve it, when you solve it, you should get that X is 16.8 and Y is 3.6. Remember what X is. X is the number of pounds for the first candy. So for the first candy, it would be 16.8 pounds. And then for the second candy, it would be 3.6 pounds when you